There is something calming about this moment. Standing on the platform, watching people move in their own rhythm. People are waiting, some with coffee, some just staring to the space. The announcements come and go. Every time the train approaches, I feel this spark inside me. Like a kid again. It takes me back to the childhood trips when getting on train felt like the start of an adventure. Now, it's work days, routine, and office stops. But that feeling, that little excitement, is still there. When I look outside, the train track catches my attention again. Two lines running perfectly side by side. Sometimes they drift apart, only to meet again a little later. Effortlessly, silently. It reminds me of people, how we meet sometimes grow distance, take different paths. But when the connection is real, we find our way back, just like these tracks. I always wonder what lives behind these windows. A family starting their morning, someone sipping tea in silence, someone running late, or someone just breathing in peace. We only see the outside, but every home holds a story. The train slows down and I get off, but the journey doesn't pause. I walk through the station, surrounded by strangers, all quietly moving forward. Maybe they're going to office like me, or maybe they are chasing something. Maybe they are just showing up because showing up takes courage too. And I don't know their stories, but I respect their efforts. There's something deeply human in them that I share silently. After all, it's not easy. The tube pulls in. A bit worn, a bit loud, but there's something about it. It's not fancy, but it doesn't need to be. It's one of those things that just feels like London. Familiar, dependable, part of the rhythm of the city. It belongs to the city. And every now and then I remind myself, this is London. For so many people, just getting here is a dream. And somehow this routine, this everyday moment, is part of that dream now. In the tube, no one really talks to anyone. That's something I have noticed about London Tube. It's not an awkward silence. It's just normal. Everyone is in their own space, doing their own thing. With time, I have accepted this. In fact, I like it now. It's peaceful. It's relaxing.